We couldn't pass it up.
How cute is that?
Oh.
Now there's something else in there for you
Nana?
too. Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Thank y'all.
You're welcome.
That's becoming really a popular title.
It's in there.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Is this yours?
Oh no! No! Oh! Congratulations.
Thank you, Dad.
Oh man, that's great news.
Read the card. Read the card.
Oh my God! Y'all been keeping a secret?
Really hard.
Nobody, I mean,
They know, but we wanted to wait till y'all were
oh,
here.
that's fabulous.
Can I see? I want to show Mom something
Do they?
about the expected due date. February 14th.